The next housemate to be evicted from the Big Brother Naija No Lose guardhouse is Sooj. How are you feeling right now? I mean, you came so close, you didn't win the money. How are you feeling?
I mean, I'm thankful for the journey, man. We came to the finals, and I feel like a winner regardless of anything that happens. I already said it yesterday night, so whatever the outcome was, I feel like a champion. I feel like a winner.
Am I right in saying that you are rooting for Nelly right now?
No, you're not wrong.
The next housemate to be evicted from the Big Brother Naija No Lose guardhouse is Anita. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much are you looking forward to seeing so far?
20.
Make some noise for Anita. The next housemate to be evicted from the Big Brother Naija No Lose guardhouse is Ozee.
See you soon.
You continue to feign innocence in this your triangle thing. And we now still saw you pulling somebody's face to kiss inside the pool. What is wrong with you?
You saw me pulling somebody to whisper something that I didn't want to.
Fear men, fear men.